Hey guys, hey class, good morning. My name is Ajay. Today we are in the topic of circulatory system. You can also say that circulatory system can be also sometimes called as cardiovascular system that consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. It transports oxygen from hormones and nutrients to all cells of the body. Therefore, you can also say it picks up waste product generated by the metabolic process and delivers them into other organ for disposal. Therefore, you can also say that the heart provides the muscles needed to pump blood throughout the body. The system is circulates blood into circuits. One of your pulmonary circuit and another one you can say as a systematic circuit. Over here, there we can see in pulmonary circulation there is a heart. In heart, you can say heart pumps the blood through major pathways. Number one, you can say it as a pulmonary circulation. In pulmonary circulation, transports of oxygen, poor blood from right ventricle to right lungs of the blood, which picks up a new oxygen supply. After that, the second one is systematic circulation. Systematic circulation is a return of oxygen-rich blood. You can also say the rich amount of oxygen, the rich amount of oxygen, blood and nutrients to the left atrium is pumped out all of the body. It also picks up a carbon dioxide and the waste products too. Then after, you can say the circulatory system works. How it works? It works with a conjunction. The circulatory system works in a conjunction of the body system to keep the body working properly. Over here, I can say the circulatory system is too much useful for the body because it maintains the conjunction with the body system to keep the body working properly. Over here, you can say when your body or when your blood circulates through your digestive system, it picks up the nutritions of your body absorbed from the last meal. Over there, you can also say that the circulatory system carries hormone from the endocrine system and the immune system, where the white blood cells that fights for infection. So here you can just say that circulatory system is also most helpful for fights against the any kind of you can say diseases around us. Over here, the circulatory system provides your brain with a constant supply of oxygen in rich. Therefore, circulatory system also provides a constant supply of oxygen. It means 24/7 you will find out the oxygen near you, while the blood regulates your heart rate and blood pressure. So there are two benefits of this. One of your brain, the another of your regulates the heart rate as well as blood pressure. Your circulatory system therefore also delivers oxygen-rich blood to your bones. Over here we can see the oxygen-rich blood can be also be delivered through your circulatory system to your bones. Meanwhile, your bones are busy making new blood cells. While your bones are too much busy while making new blood cells, that means it's therefore only the circulatory system also is very much helpful that it can make your bones oxygen-rich blood. Then after we will come to the blood vessels. Over around 55 to 60,000 miles of blood transport vessels that transport blood through your body. Over there are three types of blood vessels. One is arteries, the another one is vein, and third one is capillaries. The arteries, you can say blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart and other parts of the body. That means much thicker than veins because of higher pressure of blood coming from your heart. That you can call they are the arteries because they carry blood away from your heart and other parts to the different parts of the body. Then after we will come into the vein. In a vein, blood vessels that carry from blood back to the heart. That you can say these are the veins. Then after it comes for capillaries. In capillaries, you will find that capillaries are tiny tubers that carry blood from arteries to the body cells. Over find that can be seen, and you can just say over there they are capillaries. In artery, there is a uppermost layer, there is a thick wall. In the innermost, you can see a small lumen, and in a vein there is a large lumen and failure outer wall. And in capillaries there is no any kind of lumen. You will not find any kind of lumen. You will not find any kind of elastic fiber, or you cannot find any layer of muscles in vein and artery. So in capillary there is a very small lumen and wall made of single layer of cells. Capillaries, now we will come to the capillaries. Capillaries is a type of body tissue contain a vast network of a thin capillaries. Right, capillaries walls are only you can say it is a thick allowing exchange of gases, which is requirement, and nutritions as well as waste. Capillaries are also find, you can say, as it's a red blood cells must line up a single file through them. Then after you will come to the blood. Simply blood. Blood forms over there about 1/12 of the body weight of an adult, or meanwhile 1/8 of a small, about 45 to 50% of blood cells. Regularly, you can say roughly you can calculate about 50 to 55% of blood plasma. The liquid only portion is cellular to the components are distributed. Then after we will come as red blood cells. Red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. In erythrocytes, they are transported into oxygen, carbon dioxide. Red blood cells will come. There is a lack of nucleus, contains hemoglobin and disc shaped. And third, they produce in a red bone marrow, ribs, humerus, femur and sternum. Also, you can say erythrocytes can be live up to 120 days. Their life cycle is of 120 days. Old red blood cells are destroyed in a liver and spleen. The old blood cells which regenerated, and the old one, they are destroyed in liver as well as spleen. In human body, in our body, there are 300 billions new ones each day. What are white blood cells? White blood cells defends against the disease by recognizing protein that do not belong to our body. Meanwhile, you can say it is a defense mechanism. WBC are a type of defense mechanism for our body. They work as a defense for our body. Any kind of virus or any kind of attack which comes to your body will defend for it. Therefore, we'll come to the platelets. Platelets are a cell of fragment close to the blood clotting. If you find if there is a cut in your hand or any part of the body, you will wait for sometimes. You will find that after bleeding, after some times you will see that the bleeding has been stopped. So over there only you will find that your platelets are there to be formed there. Your platelets have started forming. That's why the clotting of blood has been stopped. Therefore, we can describe there are 4 types of blood group. There is A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. Therefore, all blood has a RH. RH determined as a blood type. So I hope you have just gone through the topic regarding the circulatory system. Thank you.